Okay guys, so I've promised you that I'll make another short video on the volume pot bypass. So that's this video. As you can see, the input signal goes with this black cable over here, and it's entwined with this one that goes back from the volume pot to the amplifier board. So if we'll remove that plug, the one that's closer to the amplifier, that one, we learn that this is actually the cable that has the input signal. Now the input signal goes from the volume pot to the board here, so we need to remove that as well. But we'll notice one thing, that the cable is mixed, meaning that, let's try to zoom on that a little. Yes, you can probably see that the channels are swapped in the plugs, meaning that the channel that's facing the amplifier right now uses white cable, and the white cable goes to this side on the other plug. So it's not a straight one-to-one plug, they are changing the positions in the plug. So what do we need to do about that? We need to hide that one away, because it won't be needed anymore, and we need to do something about the input signal plug that we have here. Well, we need to change the red wire with the white wire, so the left and right channels will be in correct places in the connection. Okay, so how do we do that? This is a standard industrial connector, so we need to remove the pin, and we remove the pin by pushing inside this little metal blocking pin here. Yeah, so we push that inside and we're pulling the cable, and it's done. And we do the same thing for the other channel. So we're pushing the plug and we're pulling the cable. I'll switch the video for a second because the camera in front of me is not actually helping. Yep, there it is. Now we just need to switch the places here. So we'll be pulling that one inside here and the red one on the other side here. And that's basically it. Let's push that further. Yep, and all three of them are locked again. And now we just need to connect that to our board input here. And now we have effectively bypassed the volume pot on this amplifier. Yeah. So what are the benefits of bypassing the volume pot here? It works exactly as it was working from Musical Fidelity A1 clone. We are bypassing cheap volume potentiometer. If you have money and time, you could actually replace that with proper Blue Alps or something like that. But since we're going to use this as a power amplifier anyway, we'll be setting the volume level using preamplifier or digital to analog converter. So bypassing the volume pot completely gives us additional clarity and better dynamics and slightly better black background. So all in all, recommended, because it's I don't know if it was even 10 minutes. So let's say it's a 10-minute job, because we need to talk with someone about that and you need to get the tools. I've also thought about a way to help with the possible heat buildup here, but that's something for another video. My idea in general would be to unscrew the amplifier section with the heatsink, then rotate the heatsink the other way around, so the power transistors that are at the bottom at the moment will be facing up here. And theory says that it should help with the airflow through the venting holes on the top lid. And it shouldn't change much as for the layout of the amplifier, because all of the plugs are placed symmetrically at the middle of the board. So rotating this the other way around will actually move the plugs by 1 or 2 centimeters, and all the cables are long enough that it will be no problem at all. So that's the idea. I'll check that later. I hope you like this little video. I very highly recommend this amplifier and doing this mod. So see you next time, guys. Just a short video. Bye.